Hi, good day. Today I will teach you how to make your Facebook profile private even your country is not yet supported. As far I tested, there is a problem in the Facebook app that I found, which you cannot find the specific language that can enable the private profile or lock your profile against those stalkers. As you can see in the video, in the mobile app I could not find the Burmese language. If you have the same problem, well, this video is the right for you. So follow me to enable this profile locking. Step 1. Change your profile language. Find the Burmese language. Go to Settings and Privacy and then Language. Click Edit and choose the Burmese language. After you save the language setting, the page will reload. Don't worry about the language, you don't need to learn that, we will get back to the English language later. Now step 2, go to your Facebook profile. Click the 3 dots, as you can see there is no profile locking icon is shown. That's another problem again, but don't worry, I don't make this tutorial without the solution. Step 3 is here in the address bar, change the 3W to M and press enter, the M means is for mobile view. This step you may try also on your mobile, either iPhone or Android device. After the page reloads into a mobile view, click the 3 dots icon again. And finally, here it is, the profile locking icon. I could not read the language, but I know that's the locking feature of Facebook. Select that and just click the blue button. Alright. My Facebook account is now locked. No one can view my profile except my friends list. So now let's get back to the English language. Now the final step is to try if the profile locking is now in effect. So I log into my another account. Yes, it is now locked. Okay guys, that's it. Hope this video helps you. If I do, please like and subscribe to get updated to my new tutorial. Have a nice day.